Guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update on the 2 week trades of the day. Obviously, Tesla was one of them. So obviously, it popped a little bit on the open to the overnight, just past the overnight high. Now, point to note: when we see a straight up like we did there on the open, you do then to see a reversal at that point. If it's just straight up high time framing on a small time frame. So we saw that happen and literally it hit one of our institutional levels, which is a 185. So if you'd have taken a 185 put, they were at $300 at that point, and now they are worth $800. At the height of it, they were worth nearly $10, i.e., there. I just want to show you JPM as well. So if we just look at JPM, which we have JPM over here. JPM did respect the overnight high. In fact, it was weaker. It was the weakest stock out of the bat. And just to let you know, financials was weak as well. So if we just look at the sector, obviously we're looking at financials. Where are financials? In fact, they're top of the list on the weakness, right? And obviously that's now as we speak, but they were weak earlier on. So if we go back to there, you can pretty much see that just tanked, and that gave, and we also got a signal as well. So we got a signal, and we got 7 points out of that. Now, just bear in mind, I am going to start looking at redesigning a screen share so that we can have the two weakest and the two strongest up. Now, another point to note: if the market's tanking, then you take the weakest stocks. If the market's popping, take the strongest stocks. We don't short Tesla off the bat on the open if the market's strong. Now, obviously, we've had some news to turn the market around. But if you just look at JPM, which is a lot safer than taking Tesla's, Tesla's the crazy stock from a volatility point of view. But on the other one, on JPM, which I do like JPM because the pullbacks are a lot less fierce, is the best way of putting it. Pretty much that's gone from $150 to $7.50. So up there, $150 to $7.50. So anyway, I thought I'd just give you this quick update.